beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atin. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved the DIY bone straight wig using Xpression Braiding hair. I already uploaded a video on how I achieved the lace closure, but I just insert a little part for you guys that have not seen the ventilating closure before. If you want to watch a full tutorial on this closure, how I achieve it, the video is on my channel. Then I'll put it somewhere up for you guys to see, so you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just ventilating the closure. I use 2x4 closure, yes, 2x4 closure in achieving this gorgeous DIY closure. So I like guys to keep on watching. So when I get to the part where we are going to crochet the wig, I'll keep on talking to explain some amazing parts to you guys. So we are done ventilating the closure. I use color 53 attachments, Xpression Braiding color 53 years. So you can see what I'm doing. This is my crochet cap, my crochet hook, needle and thread. Yes, that's what we are going to be needing. So this is our closure. First of all, you have to pin your closure down, secure it down first before you start sewing. That is very important. And secondly, you have to sew it down. I never knew I didn't on the video on the part I was sewing this place down. I didn't know. My daughter allowed me to be carried away. She was talking to me, so I didn't remember that I have the camera. I need to on it back. I was just talking to her. It was so painful, but I can't take down the closure and sew it again. I have a lot of tutorial on where I'm sewing closure. I have a lot of tutorial on that part. So now guys, the cutting I did for the back is different from the cutting I did for the front. If you really want the length I achieved, the cutting are different. So at the back I did cut 2. I cut it into 2 at the back. I use only 2 pack of Xpression hair to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. Sorry, to achieve this gorgeous wig, 2 pack of Xpression Braiding hair. There's big Xpression, there's small Xpression. So it's the small one I use. The big expression, you're going to see 2 pack in. I think it's no, sorry, it's darling that always has 2 pack. It will be fuller than the normal small expression. So I need to allow you guys to understand that part, because this is my second video on bone straight on my channel. So my first video, I get a lot of questions like that, so that is why I explained that to you. Then start crocheting, guys. You have to crochet very tiny so that this shedding won't be much, so that it won't shed a lot. And again, so that when you're brushing, it will be easier for you to brush it. You have to make it tiny, you understand? Very, very tiny. You can see I'm spacing my hand. If you want to crochet on everything, you have to make it more tinier than this, but I love using this method. I'm spacing my hand because I'll be using only 2 pack. I don't want it to be more than full. If the hair is more than full, it won't be beautiful. So if you want to crochet on all the hair, that means it will be very tiny, as if you want to ventilate, and I don't want to do that. So you can see I'm just crocheting on the cap, then I'm spacing my hand. Watch this very well. I did space my hand a lot. I did space it a lot. And again, when you get to the top part, do not allow the space to be much like the space you left at the back. It's very important for you to do that. And you can see I'm crocheting very close to the crochet cap just to hide my cap. Sorry, I'm crocheting very close to the lace closure just to hide my cap. So you can see that is what I'm doing. So the cutting I did at the top, I did cut 3. I fold a new expression hair, I fold it into 3, then I cut one part away. cut 3, fold it into 3, cut only one part away, then the remaining parts I pick it, then I crochet it at the top, so it will be longer than the one at the back, so it will be the same length, you understand, not like longer, it will be the same length. But if you keep using the cut 2 I did from the beginning, the way it will come out, if you like it, fine, but for me, I don't like the down is always tiny, you understand, so that is why I did that cutting. So after I'm done, make sure you detangle this hair very well, make sure you brush it, detangle it very, very well. As I crochet, I brush. I think you'll have seen that on camera. I crochet, I brush. So you can see now, I'm trying to blend the closure to the hair. This hair came out so beautiful. Then the next part is dipping it into the hot water. Not really hot water, you need to wash that part. Do not wash halfway. Do not cook your wig because you wash it halfway. If you cook your wig, it's not me, I'm not the one. So you can see now I brush it again, then I use my scissors to trim the excess off. You can see the hot water is not hot, it's just bringing out those heat. I can easily dip my hand inside the hot water. I always use warm water, not hot, because I won't straighten this with a straightener. If you allow the water to be very hot, you have to straighten it with a straightener. So I didn't allow it's just like lukewarm water, you understand. So I just brush it out. If it was that the water is really hot, you won't be able to brush it when it's still wet. I don't really like using straightener, but if I want to make this for a client, I will use straightener. I won't use hot water because some clients don't like hot water method, so I don't want to go through that long process of me using straightener. So this is mine. So I cut the excess off. This is the final look. This hair came out so nice, no straightener, and the water is not hot, lukewarm water. I really love this wig so much. The color is a vibe. When I saw the color at the start, I was like, yes, I want this color, I want it. Yes, I've never tried this kind of color before, and this looks so good, so beautiful for my skin color. Can you see the closure is pumping? I'm still going to give you guys a lot of vibe towards the end. Can you see how this hair is so long? No one is going to know that this is a crochet wig. Do not tell anyone. If you tell anyone, me, I'll be angry with you. This is bone straight. So my hair bone straight. Please do not tell anyone this is a crochet wig. Don't. Try it must of anybody. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.